Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you can instantly create PRDs using custom slash commands in Codex CLI. If you first want to learn a bit about custom slash commands and how they work in Codex CLI, I recommend watching the introduction to slash commands video that I published. I'll link that in the description below if you want to check that one out. Otherwise, keep watching because I will explain how custom slash commands work in this video as well, so you'll still understand exactly how the process works, how to install these custom commands and how to use them to instantly create PRDs. Before we jump in, I'll show you the PRD Wizard Pack and explain how everything works so you've got an idea of the process for installing and using these custom slash commands. Okay, so we're on my website now, snapperai.io/codex-prompt-packs. This is where you can download the PRD Wizard Pack. So if you want to copy paste the prompt to install these custom commands on your own machine, this is where you can access that prompt. You just fill out your first name, email, hit the button, check your inbox and your spam folder just in case it goes there. That will give you a download link to the markdown file that has the prompt. And then all you need to do is copy paste the prompt across to Codex and it will install these 3 commands that are in the PRD Wizard Pack. We'll now jump across and I'll show you the actual markdown form that you get with the download so that you can see the prompt and also what's included in the download. Okay, so here we can see the PRD Wizard Pack markdown file, and as mentioned, this is what you will get if you decide to download the pack. What's included: 3 specialized commands for PRD creation and management, an interactive wizard, so the PRD Wizard command guides you through a Q&A process to generate a complete PRD, so it will ask you questions about your project that you're working on. You can also defer to Codex, so if there's something such as core features where you would prefer Codex to just brainstorm and choose some core features for your project, your idea, you can also do that. It works with any product or build that you're working on. It takes 30 seconds to set up and it's production ready. You can see we then have the quick start section. Step 1, install all commands with one copy paste prompt. All you need to do is copy the master installation prompt below and paste it into Codex CLI, and that will create all 3 commands at once. So you can see here on line 26, it starts with create the following 3 custom slash commands in my Codex prompts directory. This directory is your global custom slash commands directory. That's where all custom slash commands will get created and stored. And you can see the rest of this prompt just instructs Codex on how to create and install these custom slash commands. As a quick example, the first step is to create the file prdwizard.md in the global prompts directory. This markdown file is what will power the custom slash command. Codex uses that for context and instructions, so anytime you use the PRD Wizard command, it will refer to this file and follow the instructions to complete the task. And you can see the content of this file is also detailed below. We can see instructions here guide the user through creating a comprehensive PRD. There's a list of questions it needs to run through in order to generate enough context to create the PRD. We then have instructions here on how to structure the PRD that it creates at the end. And then at the end of the instruction, we can see it says use clear headers, bullet points, specific examples, and actionable language throughout. So that will be the instructions and context for the PRD Wizard command. And then we've got similar for the other 2 commands, prd-from-brief. So if you've got existing notes and you want to use that as a starting point for creating a PRD, you can use the prd-from-brief command. We've then got PRD update, so if you've got existing PRDs stored in your project directory and you want to make some changes to it, you can use PRD update and it will run through this process to help you update your PRD. And you can see the copy paste prompt ends with confirm all 3 commands have been created successfully on line 288. That's the end of the copy paste prompt. You can see step 2 says restart Codex, so anytime you install a custom slash command, you need to restart Codex before you can actually start using it. So what we'll do now is we'll copy paste this prompt across to Codex and install it. So we'll jump back across to Codex now and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So we're back in Codex here. I'm just going to paste the prompt that we've just copied across, hit enter, and now Codex will install our PRD Wizard Pack commands. We can see Codex has now completed the task. It says the 3 slash commands have been created: PRD Wizard, PRD-from-brief, and PRD update. So we can close this Codex session and restart it. So we should have access to our new commands. And we can see they are available in this list. We'll use PRD Wizard and hit enter. And this will start the process of the PRD Wizard command, and we can see the first response is, let's start with the basics. What are you building? Give me a high level description. So we'll say a meal planning app for busy parents. Let's suggest recipes and shopping lists. That's our idea for the app that we want to build. Who is this for? We'll say working parents. Age 30 to 50 with 2+ kids. What problem does this solve? Parents are busy and stressed, don't have time, want healthy food for their kids. What are 3 to 5 core features that make this work? So we could list out some features here. So if you've got a specific idea in mind, you can list out the specific core features you have in mind. For this example, what I'm actually going to do here is put the question back on Codex. So I'm going to say, I want you to brainstorm and choose the core features. So if you've just got an idea in mind but you're not even sure about the specifics of it, you can actually ask Codex to do it for you. So in this case, we have done that, and it says the essentials I'd prioritize: personalized meal plan generator that adapts to each family's dietary needs, schedules and preferences, smart grocery list creator that auto groups items by store section, time-saving prep guidance with batch cooking instructions, step-by-step timelines, family profile management so each household member's tastes, allergies and nutritional goals shape the plan. How will you measure if this is successful? I'll say you decide the success metrics. So I'll just ask Codex to answer the rest of the questions for us. So again, I'll just say you decide the tech stack. MVP launch in 3 months for our timeline. You can see here it's now writing the PRD as a response. From my experience, the PRDs that Codex creates are really effective if you then ask Codex to use that as a reference to build it. Every time I've done that, the result I've got has been really impressive from even just a one-shot. So this is a highly recommended workflow if you're looking to start a new project and you want a PRD for it. I recommend trying this workflow in terms of getting Codex to create the PRD and then build from it. The experience that I've had is that it's a really effective way to build new apps and new projects. We can see here the PRD response, product name, family flow meal planner, its version, status draft, owner product team. We've got some more information. We've got a problem statement here. So current situation, working parents juggle careers, etc. Goals and objectives. Deliver an adaptive meal planning experience that saves busy parents time while improving household nutrition. Success metrics we've got: identified user engagement, business technical. Target users we've identified, user stories and journeys. So it's a really in-depth PRD that we've got now just from those few questions that we answered. And all we really provided was our idea, and it's then taken that idea essentially and created this really detailed, in-depth PRD. Functional requirements are also identified. Technical considerations, so it's recommending Next.js for the front end. We've got user interface experience information listed here, so key screens and views. A user flow, onboard household, generate weekly plan, confirm plan. So a really in-depth PRD of how we should build this project. Risks and mitigations, milestones and timelines. So we mentioned we want to launch a 3-month MVP. It's got 5 phases here: weeks 1 and 2, discovery and design, MVP development, all the way to MVP launch at week 13. We've got dependencies and assumptions, appendices, and next steps: validate API provider availability and cost, conduct quick concept testing, decide on monetization hypothesis prior to MVP pricing experiments. So we have a PRD from this command. It hasn't created this as a file. We've currently only got this within our chat window here. So if I scroll up the top, you'll see that it was just provided as a response. So what I would recommend if you are doing this is I would then say write this to a .md file in the project root. You can have a specific folder within your directory for PRDs as an example if you want to write these files somewhere specific, but in this case we'll ask Codex to write it to a file just in the root of our project directory. Then we'll have a version of the PRD that we can revisit whenever we want. We'll have that saved in our project directory and we can use that as a reference if later on we want Codex to then build it. So we can see it's finished the task now and it's written the PRD to family flow meal planner prd.md. So we now have that written as a file in our directory. That's the PRD Wizard. Again, as I mentioned, the PRD templates that I have on my website have been really popular, but as a workflow for building a PRD, this workflow is so much easier and so much more effective. So I'd highly recommend setting up this command in your Codex CLI system. Even if you're only using Codex CLI for this workflow alone, I think it's going to be really valuable for you. So I highly recommend. This is exactly how I now create all of my PRDs. You can see how easy it is using that command. It has all the information it needs to quickly create PRDs. So this one's really powerful. So that concludes this video on how to use Codex CLI to instantly create PRDs. If you want to copy paste the prompt I've shown in this video to install the custom / commands so that you can create your own PRDs, head over to snapperai.io/codex-prompt-packs. You'll see this landing page. Scroll down, you'll see the PRD Wizard Pack here. All you need to do is enter your first name and email and hit the Get PRD Wizard Pack button. Then check your inbox and you should have a download link to the markdown file that contains the full prompt that you can copy paste across to Codex CLI, and that will instantly install these commands so that you can use the PRD Wizard command to create your own PRDs. So I hope you enjoyed the video and found it valuable. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos, and thanks for watching.